Alright guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel on Anthony Kenneth Bishop. So today I'm just looking in the actual fish tank at the moment. Now I was reading something about this because doing a bit of research. Apparently it's going through some cycles at the moment, nitrogen cycle. Basically it's like cloudy in there. I wouldn't say cloudy, but it's kind of misty and stuff. So I suppose it'd be even worse tomorrow. Well, technically it is cloudy because you can see absolutely almost nothing. You can't even see the back of there. Now, I've reading apparently it can take up to 2 to 3 weeks, but I was told yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before. Actually, no, it was yesterday about it. Said apparently I could get some fish to put in it in 2 days, but then assuming it's not cleared up and all that, or not clearing up, apparently it's like sort of going through bacteria cycling and all that, so it can put the natural stuff going into there. But yeah, it looks once this is prepared and all that, once it's done, it should be alright and all that. But because I use that bioactive stuff, which makes the water purified for the fish. So I put, apparently they told me to put 3 of those drops in, especially for the size of this tank here. And yeah, it should be good once it's all like nice and cleared up. Apparently it's just supposed to clear by itself, so hopefully it does. I mean, I've just stuck some trees in there yesterday, so hopefully those will get grounded in there. As you can see, these are up now, starting to like go up. And unless it's sort of like getting the bacteria, because I've got the pump at the back there, as you can see. There's a pump there, which looks quite cool. Let's have a look, see if I can lift this up a minute. So yeah, there we go. It's coming through there, the filtration and all that, the water coming through. You can actually see it's blowing bubbles in there as well. Air bubbles. So I think that's where the filter there, you've got the main filter, I think that's filtering out all the bacteria, just putting all the, getting rid of all the cloudness and all that. But yeah, I put it in yesterday, seemed to be fine. There was no like cloudiness with it at all, but today it's just formed just after like I'd say about 12, 15, 20 hours. So yeah, hopefully either it should be done tomorrow or probably a couple of weeks, but I will keep an eye on this anyway because I want to get this all sorted out and should be good. But anyway, guys and girls, let us know what you I should put in there. I was thinking maybe at the back put a little mini shark up there, big enough for them, and then maybe a little castle so they can have a little bed, maybe a little bed, not a bed, but sort of like a castle sort of bed, so they can lie inside, like a little sort of tunnel. Maybe put a little tunnel in there or something once we get them. But yeah, anyway, actually what I should do really, actually, because this one here is connected to that plant over there for some reason, so I might actually have to lift that out a little bit and just unscrew it, because it looks like it's attached to that one. Or maybe just leave it as it is. Should be right, because I mean these ones over here are touching each other at the back, as you can see. But anyway, guys and girls, hopefully you're enjoying my work for this today. If you do, it is Thursday, 18th of July 2019. Cheers for watching, guys and girls. Stay safe all.